On a busy work day, when I want something to eat that's special, simple, and speedy, this is what I turn to. I am making my go-to Gochu pasta, and I have ransacked my aisle for, most of the ingredients to make it. First off, this really divine garlic olive oil, and next, this is such a good secret ingredient in cooking, some frozen chopped shallots. Now, this is a solo supper. It's so essential in life, I think, to be able to sustain yourself deliciously. The go-to part of the go-to Gochu pasta is self-evident. This is the Gochu part. It's gochujang, a Korean fermented red pepper paste, and on top of the gochujang, same amount of tomato puree. I'm going to give it a stir and watch everything turn a wonderful reddy orange. And that is all flavour. Just pushing my fiery shallots to the sides, edges of the pan, while I get a bit of butter out. Let's melt that. Butter, I think, really makes it rich and creamy. And on top of the butter, look at that wonderful bubbling orange. Add my beloved orzo pasta, also called risoni. What I want to do, and indeed what I am doing, is trying to turn the orzo quickly in the butter, and then I'll widen up my stir to incorporate the shallots. So it's a bit like making risotto, only easier. And just 1 tablespoon also of soy sauce. I'm going to stir the soy in, although it bubbles away very quickly. And now, water just from the freshly boiled kettle. And you don't need to stir this all the time like you would a risotto, just every now and then. This is just how I want it. So let's turn the heat off. And final little addition, just a spoonful of ready grated Parmesan. And I'm sorry if the purists disapprove. Oh, that's perfect. Right. I shall try to ease this into my bowl. A little sprinkling of chives. I mean, you can use whatever herbs you have that need using up, frankly. And you can find this recipe exclusively on Ocado.com.